In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find profitable YouTube niches with Nexlev's Niche Finder. First, open the Niche Finder dashboard in Nexlev. This is your command center. Give yourself a moment to take in the layout, because the goal is to quickly spot opportunities without getting overwhelmed. You'll see panels for channels, keywords, and tools that help you zero in on areas with real growth potential. Start by exploring the AI-picked channels and trending keywords. These are broad idea starters curated from real performance signals. As you look through them, pay attention to patterns. The types of topics that surface repeatedly, the formats that seem to work, and how recent the engagement is. Trending keywords offer a snapshot of what the audience is actively searching for right now, so use this to spark ideas and shape the direction you'll test next. Now, narrow the results with advanced filters. This is where the data becomes actionable. Apply filters for lower subscriber counts paired with higher view rates to find channels that punch above their weight. That combination often signals a passionate audience and content market fit, even in smaller niches. Add a filter for recent activity to ensure the niche isn't stale. You can fine-tune by content language, upload frequency, or time frame if available, but keep it focused. 3 to 4 filters usually give the best clarity without overfitting. With a direction in mind, head to the Custom Keyword tool to deep dive into interests or sub-niches. Enter a seed topic and explore related phrases, long-tail variations, and intent-driven terms. Look for keywords that show consistent interest but aren't saturated. If a parent topic feels competitive, try modifiers like "for beginners," "on a budget," or 2025 updates to uncover angles where you can compete. The aim is to find search terms that align with the audience's needs and your content strengths. As you identify promising channels, save and organize them for deeper analysis. Use folders or tags that mirror your thinking, like high view rate, low competition, or testing soon. This creates a short list you can revisit for content ideas, collaboration prospects, and benchmark metrics. When you return later, you'll have a clean, prioritized pipeline to work from. And a quick note: if you haven't purchased the Niche Finder yet, you can use the coupon code NICHE20 to get a 20% discount on your purchase. By the end of this workflow, you'll have a clear, validated set of niches, keywords, and channels to guide your next content experiments, organized, targeted, and ready to execute.